What this is counter-attack touch. Okay, it's going to be different to normal touch. Okay, so the rules are going to be that the game starts with a rugby kickoff, so just your normal drop kickoff. The attacking team gets 6 touches. Okay, but you're only allowed to be touched 3 times in your own half. Okay, so the field's 70 metres long. Okay, so you can only be touched 3 times inside your own half, which is about 35 metres. Okay, otherwise it's a handover and the other team gets 2 points. Okay. Touches must be 2 hands. After the touch is made, you have to go back 5 metres, same as normal touch. Passes can only be backwards. You can kick at any time, so to exit out of your own half to kick, that's part of counter-attack. Players chasing must be behind. And yeah, 2 points for getting touch inside your own half and a point for scoring a try. And then what I'll do is add in a couple of variations in that. Okay, that's 2. You can't be touching your own half. Yep. 3. Here's it, Morsey. Oh, got it. What we're going to do now is just add in a variance. What's going to happen now is once you've kicked the ball, okay, the team that receives the ball has got to get 2 players behind them within 5 seconds, okay, or else it's a handover. Okay, we want to see some support players, or just so the guy with the ball's got some options to counter-attack. Okay, so yeah, let's see us try a couple more kicks and that. Okay. Yep. Okay. So the first variance that I change is that when the team kicks it and the defending team goes to get the ball, within 5 seconds receiving the ball, they've got to have 2 players in support behind them. This gives the player with the ball options on what to do with counter-attack, whether he's going to kick it, he's going to have 2 chasers, or whether he's going to run it and the players on the outside are going to create the space and the player's going to draw and pass.
Yep. So what skills are you working on specifically? Is it getting the people back online after the kick?
Yeah, to get players back in support.
Perfect. Yep. Another 4. Thanks.
Yeah. do this one.
One. Fly on.
Yeah, quickly.
Fly on.
Get him in there, half boys. Come right. Yeah, one.
Yeah.
Alex.
2 points to the other team. Still inside your own half. Give them a touch.
Come right.
Last one before you can get touched. Over.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Come back. Come right. Hand over this way.
Last variance, guys. What we're going to do, this time you're only allowed to be touched twice in your own half. Okay? Or else it's 2 points to the other team. Okay? And the other variance still stays in play.
Yep. Are you keeping score? Yeah.
Yep. 3-all.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay, and the next one, what can you tell us a little bit about that one?
The second one was changing from being touched 3 times in your own half to 2. So basically just to exit your own half quickly and to be more effective in exiting your own half.
Yep, perfect.
Oh no sport.
One. Touch there.
Oh come on sir, stripping it.
Yeah, push out.
Blood right.
Mossy.
One there.
Ready.
Run back.
Yeah, back, deep.
Touch him, that's your hand over.
Yeah, use
Kick
it,
it.
Jake. Yeah, Brown.
Two players with it.
Get them. There's only one. Go away. Amy, go. Yeah.
5-all.
Alright.
Hand over.
No way.
Yeah, Paddy, you want?
Daddy. Oh. I got ball.
Head down.
Hand over.
Run it out. Go drag him.
Hold it. Yeah, Amy, use it.
him. Yeah, two back, two back.
No, that was a mad. Get up,
Don't let him.
in the face. Hurry. That's out, dude.
Put it in if it's not on, put it on if it's not on.
Pass halfway.
Dive on it.
And yours.
Touch him.
Gets it. You like.
What is important about counter attack?
Getting back up to the other end of the field so that I have an opportunity to score.
Why is it important to have support players running off you?
So you don't get isolated and steal the ball in their half, in like your own half, and they can score again.
Okay. And what did you find most useful out of this session?
Ooh. Probably where you had to make it out of the half quick as possible. Trying to utilise space faster.
Perfect. Thank you.
Why is it important to look for space in counter attack?
Because it gives holes for you to have an opportunity to make space and gain ground.
What is important about counter attack?
So you don't get isolated, and so you have someone there right beside you to offload to.
Okay. And what did you find most useful out of this session?
Makes you plan ahead for if they're going to go for a kick, so you have someone there to get back behind the fullback.
Okay. Cool. Why is it important to have support players running off you?
So you don't get isolated. Lose the ball.
Okay. And why is it important to look for space in counter attack?
So you don't get caught in your own half, and so you can make meters.
What is important about counter attack?
Gaining meters and getting out of your own half as quick as possible.
And what did you find most useful out of this session?
Finding space to get out of your own half.
And why is it important to have support players running off you?
So you don't get isolated and to help gain meters.
Okay. Cool.
Perfect. Thank you.